Today we're doing some balayage highlights with gray coverage on my client. As you can see, she's been coloring her grays for a while now and was over getting the same dark color over and over again. So after a little convincing, we decided to change it up and try something different. So first things first, I'm covering up those grays with the dark color to match her natural hair. One of the best features about balayage highlights is that it's a more natural and rooted look. So the highlights don't have to go all the way up to reach the root. This is great for women who come into the salon frequently to cover up those grays because they can keep up with their regular root touch-ups and still maintain their highlights throughout the length of their hair. It's also a more gentle option on the hair than having to use bleach to redo those highlights every time the root grows out. After applying her root color, I'm mixing her bleach for her highlights. As an insurance policy, I always use Olaplex in my formula to make sure her hair doesn't overprocess. I'm very detailed around the hairline because I want to make sure that the highlights look good whether she wears her hair up, down, and it looks good as it grows out. I love it when it's time for a highlight retouch and my client tells me that people were still complimenting their hair even up to a day before their appointment. Okay, after about 45 minutes of processing, you can see those highlights lifted to a brassy, dark, orange-brown color. This was to be expected after years of dyeing her hair black. The bleach had a lot of color build up to break through, but this worked out in our favor because we wanted to tone her highlights to a deep red color so her hair didn't have to be lifted so bright in order to achieve the color we desired. Alright, for her blow dry, I'm going in with my Emergency Miracle treatment from my Timelessly Curly hair care line. Then I'm grabbing Le Doux, which is my style primer. I love to use this for my blow dries because it leaves the hair so hydrated. Last but not least, I'm going in with my amethyst oil. This lightweight oil will help seal in the moisture, protect hair from heat styling, speeds up drying time, and adds shine and softness. Links are in the description for all the products and tools that I use to create this look. This is great whether you're a stylist or if you just want professional products and tools at home. If you haven't already, don't forget to grab my free Curly Girl Planner for growing healthy long curls. In there, I offer a hair regimen, tools, and products that will help you along your hair journey. Link is in the description for all of that. Y'all, check out this color. I'm obsessed. It's so deep, so dimensional. Like, how is it subtle but pops at the same time? If you like this video, I suggest you check out my Bleach Blonde on Natural Hair video. Alright, I'll catch you on the next. Bye!